Wednesday's precise and important news. Deputy PM for Economic Affairs met with the Pakistani delegation led by the Defense Minister of Pakistan in Kabul. Mullah Abdul Ghani Biradar Akhund, the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs, met with the Pakistani Minister of Defense, leading a high-ranking delegation. The two parties discussed economic cooperation, regional connectivity, trade, and bilateral relations. Acting Minister of Public Health met with the officials of WHO. The Acting Minister of Public Health, Dr. Qalandar Ibad, met with the official of the World Health Organization in his office. In this visit, the coordination of affairs and further cooperation in the health sector were discussed. Acting Minister of Refugees paid a visit to the Kabul's Department of Refugees. Acting Minister of Refugees and Repatriations Al-Hajj Khalilur Rahman Haqqani visited the Department of Refugee Affairs of Kabul, promised in order to evaluate the work of this department. Customs revenue increases in Kandahar. The Ministry of Finance said the country's revenue from customs has increased. According to the ministry, revenue from customs in Kandahar province has increased by 90% from last year, and in the past 10 months they have collected over 11 billion Afghanis. Corruption in the finance ministry has decreased to zero. The percentage of corruption in the previous administration has reached its limits, but in this administration, corruption in the finance ministry has decreased to zero. And as we announced before, every department that wants to make a report about corruption can come to our ministry and evaluate it, said the spokesman of the finance ministry. The Turkish ambassador in Kabul, Sihad Ergani, called on Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan Foreign Minister Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi. In the meeting, Foreign Minister Muttaqi once again expressed the Afghan people and government sympathies to the Turkish ambassador for the recent earthquake, assuring assistance with the Muslim Brothers of Turkey within the limits of Afghanistan's capabilities. The Turkish ambassador expressed his gratitude for the love, sympathy, and solidarity from across Afghanistan.